Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to quickly convert your image file into a PDF file without using any extra software and without internet on your iPhone. So this video is very interesting. So just open your Photos app and find out your photo which you want to convert into PDF file. For example, this photo I want to convert into PDF file. Just open the photo, tap on this share button like this, scroll down, and here you can get one option, print. Just select the print option. Now it will open this page, and once again you need to tap on share button like this. From here you need to select save to files option from this screen. Select this, give your file name, then simply tap on save option. That's it. Now your image file was converted into PDF file. Let's find out. So close your Photos app. Now you need to open the Files app on your iPhone. The PDF file was saved here. So as you can see guys, I will show you the file info. Image file was successfully converted into PDF file. So this is the way to easily convert your image file into PDF file on your iPhone without internet, without using extra online tool or extra application. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, and I will see you in the next one.